In this video, we're going to look at the file storage area inside of each event. We're going to go to one of our events right here, and then we're going to scroll down to the Files tool inside of the tool list here. And here's where you can store files related to your event. You can see I've already created folders and placed files into those folders, and I can show you how to do that in a moment. To add a file, you just simply click on the Upload Files button right here. You would click on Select Files, and you can upload multiple files at a time, and you would just pick the files from your computer. I'm going to just click 3 files here, and you can upload a variety of files, including document and image files, as well as media files. So here are the 3 files I just uploaded. It uploads that fast. To download a file, you just click on the link. It'll either download to your computer or it will open it actually in another browser window, and you can just download that file by dragging and dropping. By clicking on the More button, you can add a folder to place those files in. I'm going to create a folder called Attendee Information, and then I'm going to click on one of the files in my uncategorized files area, and then I'm going to add it to that new folder I've just created. And that's how you can add files to the folder. I'm going to add another one here. There we go. As you can see, there are different logos for some of these. So files I upload look like have a file icon, but there's a Google, a Dropbox, and a Microsoft OneDrive icon. You can link files from those 3 applications and place those links in here. So I'm going to click on Google Drive. It may require you to sign in and agree to some stipulations, but once you do that, I'm going to click on a file from my Google account and then add the link right there. And I can also attach a link to a folder to keep that in the same place. Just a quick thing to point out too, if you click on a Google Doc, it will open that up in another tab. However, any other file here, you'd have to download first and work on it and then re-upload it. You'll not be able to work on files right here in Planning Pod like you would in a Dropbox account. There are a couple other places in your account where you can store files. For example, you can store a file with a contact right here. Inside of each event, inside of the itinerary tool, you'll also be able to store a file within an itinerary item, like right here. And in the to-dos tool inside of each event, you'll also be able to store a file within a to-do. So those are a few ways in which you can store and manage files inside of your account, as well as in the main files area here inside of each event. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions.